Welcome back to AJ's Airy. This is unfolding, becoming, and self-discovery. Alright y'all, I know it's been a minute, but I am back with the vlogs. Had to show y'all the Fizzy Fit. I am ready. Let me hurry up because my Uber is here, but I do want to vlog a bit. Headed into Costa Rica. Gotta hurry because I woke up like 30 minutes, 15 minutes behind schedule. But that's okay because I am gonna make it. Everything's gonna be perfectly fine. I am envisioning myself getting on the plane already. But yeah, let me hurry into this Uber. Bye y'all. Alright, so I just made it to Miami, and I'm getting ready to board to Costa Rica in 30 minutes. This is future AJ dropping in to give you a bit of backstory. For those of you who don't know, I got my bachelor's in business management with a minor in entrepreneurship, and I got my master's in project management. But before I graduated, I got to study abroad, and I studied international business in Costa Rica. Finally made it. We landed in San Jose, Costa Rica. I'm immediately hot, so I found somewhere to change to some shorts. Now I'm about to go through customs and immigrations, and then find my group. I usually like to not talk, but since y'all like my voice, I'm gonna try to do a little bit more narration while you watch these beautiful scenery. But yeah, don't let my class fool you. I love a hood jam. Like, don't let these degrees fool you, okay? I am still a full-time creative, but yeah, I do have some business degrees on the side. Talk to me nice. It's AJ MBA to you, okay? I'm gonna try to keep the school part of this trip really short. I spent almost a full month in Costa Rica, but only about a week and a half of that time was I doing study abroad and like studying and stuff. The rest of it is adventures and AJ and maybe in Q and you know, all that kind of stuff, the stuff you really came for. So hang tight and we gonna get there. Until then, enjoy the content, okay? And yeah, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna flip you later. It's too cute. There is a cool casino in the bottom of our hotel, like, and of course there's a bar, and this chair has wheels, so I found my happy place. You're welcome. I know no better. Paying us all the comfort, and we gonna be back. Big money, breathe. We just finished the first presentation lecture, just walking outside, enjoying the beautiful Costa Rican weather, Costa Rican nature, and the pool, period. Is gonna have to see me later, but it's a check-in. Talk to y'all later. One thing's for sure, two things for certain. Your girl ate good the entire trip. I had a ball. We visited so many different businesses, learned about the economy, sustainability, the arts, the culture. It was really beautiful and just overall like a great experience. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I am so grateful I was able to study abroad and also take advantage of my time in Costa Rica and extend my stay and have, you know, the best of both worlds. So just showing y'all a little bit of the footage from when I was still with my university touring San Jose, Costa Rica. One thing about me, you can't close a jacuzzi, a hot tub, a pool, none of that. Like, it's not gonna stop the show. I'm getting in. waiting to leave San Jose and get on the road, get on the bus, and head to Monteverde. So I'll be back when we make it there. On our way up to Monteverde, we stopped at Le Canto to have lunch, which is an organic farm and restaurant. Everything that they served was grown on the property. It was so beautiful and actually really delicious, probably the best organic food I've ever had in my life, and just really an awesome experience. I keep saying it because overall, everything about it was just a great experience. I had a good ass time in Costa Rica, y'all. So I'm showing you a little bit of the food, the flavors, the colors, like it was giving. Good morning. Buenos dias. Pura vida. Y'all have to see this view. Like I have to show y'all from the back because I opened my curtains this morning and this is what I saw. Nothing but chills. This is gorgeous. Wow. Good morning, beautiful people. It's a new day. Time to go to breakfast and then excursions. I need to fix my bun because it's on a gangsta lean. Lord. Let's ride.
Good morning.
This is the fit. Super cute. So pretty here. We started off at Arenal Volcano in Monteverde, and I was hiking, y'all. Like, not hiking, but hiking. We climbed up to the top of that thing. Now, not the top, obviously, but we were able to go up this hiking trail to a beautiful clearing that showed just this magnificent view of the volcano, and then we went to La Fortuna. And let me tell you, I so highly recommend going to see this waterfall, but just be prepared, you're gonna get your steps in because the staircase down to the waterfall and then back up, oh my God. We made it. The waterfall. It's beautiful, breathtaking, my goodness, so beautiful. Now, I can't lie, I'm usually bad at picking favorites, but this is definitely top 3 for me during this trip. I love a good waterfall. If you know anything about AJ, you know I love water, but I really love a good waterfall. It's the fish for me. Our last night in Monteverde was so cute. We got to go to this tia's house and make authentic tortillas, and we were fed authentic Costa Rican meals. We danced, we played music. It was so cute. Fun fact about AJ, I'm absolutely obsessed with monstera plants, and I saw some of the biggest monstera plants I've ever seen in my life, y'all, in Costa Rica. It was so good. If you're a nature girly for real, I recommend visiting CuriCancha Nature Reserve. We got to go there and see some gorgeous plant life and just soak up nature. I'm trying to get in my nature bag. I don't do bugs, but I love me some good plants and flowers, child. So if you're into that, you want to just like do a walking meditation, which is really what I did a lot of the time there, I definitely recommend. Ready to go out for dinner at this really beautiful treehouse restaurant. But I was just showing you the like scenery because you know I had to snap it up real quick. I was looking good, feeling good. But this is the tree house. It was so dope. Like the vibes were giving, the music was giving, my fit was giving. Okay, so you like climb up these spiral staircase into the tree house, and it's so gorgeous. They have live music. And honestly, it was just a time. And then after that, we went out on the town, did a little bit of bar hopping, and just had a ball. Y'all gonna see it. And the aesthetic is absolutely amazing. 10 out of 10. just like that, after a very, very clearly lit night, we are off to the beach. We're going to Tamarindo, and when we arrive, it is just so beautiful, and I'm so excited because you know when I'm at the beach, I'm in my element. The room. Come in. Very cute. Me. Very cute. Yes, I've just been really lucky on this trip to get like all the best views, honestly, and I'm so excited about that. Like, it's the favorite for me. Beautiful view. Beautiful view. It's really the me for me. So, spit out of a coconut, glistening in the sun. I'm living my lifeline. Ignore my nails. I'm gonna fix them probably tomorrow or not. Salud. Breathe. Salud.
Salud!
It really doesn't do it justice at all. Like, that's wild. This doesn't make any sense. Like, my camera cannot catch how gorgeous this is. This is a moment. Wow. Just wow. 10 out of 10. Worth it. Over here at El Mercadito, and it's so cute. And it's really, really cute over here. Like, get into it, yeah. You see the vibes. Where are we? We're about to walk over to Sharky's. You got a vlog. Want to say hi to vlog? Hi. So if you made it this far, my study abroad program has officially commenced. And if you'd like to see part 2, where I travel from one coast to the other in Costa Rica, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Pura vida. Bye.